Once upon a time in the vibrant heart of Jamaica, in a small village surrounded by lush green hills and the soothing sound of waves, lived a young girl named Vivine. From an early age, her life was infused with music. She would often be found singing along to the sweet rhythms of reggae wafting through her window or harmonizing with her grandmother as they cooked dinner. Vivine's talent blossomed at local festivals, where she performed with a voice that resonated with warmth and passion. But her dreams extended beyond the village. She yearned to share her music with the world, and that desire ignited a fire in her heart. With a humble guitar gifted by her grandfather and an unwavering mind, she started composing songs that told tales of love, resilience, and the beauty of her homeland. However, life wasn't always easy for Vivine. Her family struggled to make ends meet, and there were moments when she doubted her path. But each time she faced uncertainty, she would retreat to the mesmerizing shores of the Caribbean, where the waves whispered promises of success. With a determined heart, she recorded her first single, putting every ounce of her singing soul into it. Surprisingly, the song captivated listeners online, and soon, she found herself at the center of attention. With newfound fame, Vivine didn't forget where she came from. She established a music academy in her village, teaching young children the beauty of expression through music. She wanted to ensure that dreams were never crushed by circumstances. As her musical career soared, Vivine also ventured into business. She launched a clothing line inspired by the vibrant colors and textures of Jamaican culture. Using eco-friendly materials and employing local artisans, she infused authenticity into each piece. Her brand became a testament to the spirit of Jamaica, marrying her love for music with her entrepreneurial dreams. Years later, standing on the stage before thousands, Vivine looked out at the sea of faces, realizing the incredible journey she had taken. From a little girl who sang barefoot on village streets to an internationally celebrated artist and businesswoman, she had proven that dreams could indeed come true. And with a smile, she began to sing her latest song, a melodic tribute to her roots, her community, and the energetic dream of hope.